the name itself we can understand that this leaves is a natural herbal insulin for diabetes patients. It cures diabetes permanently by using regularly. You can consume these leaves raw daily in the morning. If you feel bitter or you hate to consume raw, use this easy homemade recipe with insulin leaves. For this, we need homemade curd 1 cup, 2 to 3 insulin leaves, pinch of salt and pinch of pepper. Firstly, cut the insulin leaves into small pieces and put aside. Now take a cup of curd and add chopped leaves to it and mix well. Finally, add pinch of salt and pepper to the curd and mix well. You can add this amazing herbal recipe in your regular diet, and you can also drink directly daily early in the morning. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe for more videos.